Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make a character in Character.AI. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC, or you can also navigate to your browser on your mobile phone and log into Character.AI. After you log into Character.AI using your user credentials, you'll be on this page. On this page, you'll have to simply click on Create Character button, that is this Create button at the top left, and choose Character. Now you will see this page. Here, you'll have to enter your character's name. So I'm naming my character Walter White. Now enter a tagline for this character. Now enter the description. That is, how would your character describe themselves? You can enter any kind of description you want. Now navigate to greeting section and enter how the character is going to greet the people he is going to conversate with. After adding the greeting, you can click on the voice button and choose to add a voice if you have any. You can click on your voices, or you can click on create and create a new voice for this character. Upload an audio file and you'll have added a voice to your character. You can click on more options and you can give specific instructions on how your bot will behave and how it responds to messages. You can add user messages, character message, and end of the dialogue. You can simply click on more options again, skip that part, select the visibility of your character, whether you want your character to be available for others to discover and chat with, whether you want your character to be unlisted, that is, available for others to chat with via link, or it should be only available to you. So choose the character's privacy and click on Create Character. One thing more, you can click on this pencil icon and select an image from your PC or generate an image for your character. So I'm going to describe my character, Walter White from Breaking Bad. Now I'll click on Generate. This is going to leverage Character.AI's AI features and generate a picture for my character. As you can see, I just got my character's image. I will select this one and click on Select. Now I'll scroll down and click on Create Character. After you click on Create Character, this is going to prompt you to this page, that is the chat page. Now you can message your character and your character is going to reply to your messages however you have set it up. You can click on the call button and call your character too. So that's how you make character in Character.AI. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.